Hey folks, how you doing? This is Mahesh. Today I'll be checking out this classic retro style keyboard. So let's go. It's from a company called Ajazz and it's the AK510. So it's an old school beige color keyboard with mechanical switches, but with new trappings like RGB lights and in-key rollover and macros and all that. Here are all the specs. It comes with a small user guide and a key puller. And here it is. Wait a second, what's this? Orange color keycaps for the spacebar, enter and escape keys. This is beautiful and it's pretty heavy. Damn, feels like I'm on a Commodore 64. So these are Zorro brown switches similar to Cherry MX. Now that looks even better. So these are spherical keycaps. So they are taller than the usual keys you get on keyboards. And instead of a PS2 cable, this comes with a USB cable with a gold-plated connector. So I have this hooked up to my new PC and it looks simply incredible. Press the FN key and screen lock key to cycle through the RGB lighting modes. FN plus print screen will cycle through the colors. To turn off the lights, press FN and escape. This has several game modes. Press FN and numbers 1 to 5 to switch between the game modes. The first one here is obviously the FPS mode. To change the color of the side lights, press FN and insert key. The backlight on the keys are very even and looks pretty good. You can download the software for this keyboard by going to the Ajazz website. A direct download link is in the description. With the software installed, you have much better control over the lights as well as macros and profiles and all that sort of thing, if you like that sort of thing. Now let's enable FPS mode and try some serious Sam 4.
Heading for the stage.
You know, this place would be kind of nice if it weren't for all the monsters.
Man, I fucking love this keyboard. It feels just as good for gaming as it is for typing with this. And get one yourself using the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you later.